Look at your daily routine. You study hard, you avoid bad habit, you respect your parents and you listen society rules. You are doing your best and everything right. But let me ask you a brutal question. If you are doing everything right, why do you still feel like you are falling behind? We have been sold a massive lie in India. We are taught how to survive, but we are never taught how to actually conquer. We are trapped by invisible psychological walls that our society calls safety. But in reality, it's just a slow poison for your ambition. In this video, I am going to share 3 toxic mindsets that are keeping you average. Mindset that 99% of people realize way too late. Trap number 1, the sacrifice complex. Grow up in a middle class Indian family and you hear all one word constantly: compromise. Adjust extra hard today so your tomorrow is safe. We are taught to take a pride in our struggles rather than taking pride in our results. Thinking about it, we see someone burning themselves out, working 14 hours a day at a job they hate, and we call it noble. Why? Hard work is essential, but blind sacrifice is without strategy is stupidity. The most you start romanticizing your struggle, you stop looking for the exit door. You start thinking, because I'm suffering, I'm doing something good. No, you are just suffering. Stop treating your limitation like medals. Change the game, don't just endure it. Step number 2 is the modern version of what will people say. Earlier it is used to mean your neighbors or relatives. Today it is most worse. It is the digital crowd. It's the fear of falling in public. We live in a country where everyone is an expert, critic, but nobody wants to be the player on the field. We live in a country where everyone is an expert, critic, but nobody wants to be the player on the field. The moment you try something different, whether it's starting a side hustle, making videos, or picking an unconventional career, the first response you get isn't support, it's a warning. बेटा स्कोप नहीं है. Here is the truth nobody tells you. People don't want you to fail, but they also don't want you to succeed more than them. Their warnings aren't about your safety, they are about their comfort zone. The day you stop asking for permission from the people who haven't achieved what you want to achieve, your life begins. The system wants you to be predictable. It wants you to follow the queue, wait your turn, and play it safe. But safety is an illusion. The biggest risk today is taking no risk at all. You have the energy, you have the internet, and you have the raw hunger. The only thing missing is the courage to break these 3 traps. And finally, the biggest killer of dreams in our generation, the perfect timing delusion. Will start when I have a better camera. I will start after this exam. I will start when I am 100% ready. Let me break a bubble for you. You will never be ready. In India, we are trained to be perfectionists because our exam demand 100% accuracy. If you make one mistake, you lose a rank. But real life doesn't work on negative marking. Real life rewards speed, experimentation, and the ability to look foolish while learning. If you look at every successful entrepreneur or a creator today, then didn't start with a masterpiece. They start with a absolute garbage. But they started while you are waiting for the perfect plan. Someone with half your intellect is beating you